When replacing the screen, if the replaced new screen doesn't have true tone code, or the true tone code is inconsistent with the code of original screen, after installation, the true tone of mobile phone will be invalid. Now we use Aweshine FC01 multifunction programmer to repair the true tone. Connect the true tone adapter to FC01. Connect FC01 to the power supply with a USB cable to turn it on. FC01 jumps to the true tone repair interface automatically. Step 1. Read the original screen data. Buckle the original screen on the port corresponding to the model. Press Read. FC01 will read the original screen data and backs it up automatically. Step 2. Write data. Buckle the new screen that needs to be installed in mobile phone on the corresponding port of FC01. Press Write. Press Confirm. FC01 starts to write original screen data. Install the screen that contains the original screen data. We can see that the true tone can be used normally now. Repair the true tone of mobile phone with FC01 successfully.